Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the LDAC codec in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So, if you are here in the SOUNDCORE application, you can just go and tap this gear icon. If you don't have the SOUNDCORE application, you can just check our channel because we have a video of that, how to install the application, etc, etc. You can just check our channel. So once you are here in the settings, tap sound mode and tap preferred audio quality LDAC. Here tap agree, and now the plugin firmware will be downloaded, and you can here just tap download and install. It can take about 5 minutes, so don't worry, it depends on your connection, Bluetooth module, and the files transferring, etc. As you can see, this size is only 0.75 megabytes, so this shouldn't be a big deal. As you can see now, we do have 5% when I'm talking. We can actually skip this process, so don't worry, I will pause it my video. Now, as you can see, we have 99%. And done. Now our headphones will be restarted. It takes some time actually, as you can see, almost halfway through. It's nice that we just have the progress bar of the restarting, because if you didn't know, it can take much time. We can tap it, and now as you can see, we have LDAC enabled. And what to do to disable the LDAC? We have to tap again this gear icon, which is over here, tap sound mode, and now you can switch combine audio and connection quality. Now we are just switching modes, not downloading the additional firmware. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.